Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to select the time that you want to delete or the time that will your account deleted on the application of will be deleted on Telegram. You will go to Telegram app. In this page we click in this sign. Here in this list we click in this window of settings. Then in this page you will enter to this window of privacy and security. Then in this list you will find this window of delete your account, and you will find here this sign of it away for, and here you can find self-destruct if inactive for, and you can choose 1 month, 3, 6, or any month, any time of month you want here. So please don't forget to support us.